Hey, just imagine this is your own day. From the moment you wake up in the morning to the time you go to sleep at night, this is exactly how your day goes. So listen carefully, speak with me, and make this your own English practice. If you repeat after every line, your speaking confidence will improve day by day. Ready? Let's start your day together. Every morning I wake up early. Every morning I wake up early. Sometimes I still feel sleepy. Sometimes I still feel sleepy. I want to stay in bed for a little longer. I want to stay in bed for a little longer. But then I slowly open my eyes and get up. But then I slowly open my eyes and get up. A new day begins. A new day begins. I feel fresh and hopeful. I feel fresh and hopeful. Then I brush my teeth. Then I brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully. After that, I wash my face. After that, I wash my face. The cool water makes me feel awake. The cool water makes me feel awake. Now I feel fresh. Now I feel fresh. Next, I take a bath. Next, I take a bath. Bathing makes me feel clean and relaxed. Bathing makes me feel clean and relaxed. After my bath, I feel active and ready. After my bath, I feel active and ready. And now I am fully prepared for my day. And now I am fully prepared for my day. Then I have breakfast. I eat simple food like bread, eggs, or tea. Then I have breakfast. I eat simple food like bread, eggs, or tea. Breakfast gives me energy. It helps me start my day well. Breakfast gives me energy. It helps me start my day well. After breakfast, I go to school or work. After breakfast, I go to school or work. I leave my home and start my journey. I leave my home and start my journey. Sometimes I feel excited. Sometimes I feel excited. Sometimes I feel a little nervous. Sometimes I feel a little nervous. But I keep going. But I keep going. Because every day brings new learning and new opportunities. Because every day brings new learning and new opportunities. At noon, I have lunch. At noon, I have lunch. This is my time to relax. This is my time to relax. I eat peacefully and take a short break. I eat peacefully and take a short break. After lunch, I feel better and stronger. I feel better and stronger. In the evening, I return home. In the evening, I return home. After a busy day. After a busy day. Coming home feels so comforting. Coming home feels so comforting. I feel tired but happy. I feel tired but happy. Home gives me peace. Home gives me peace. At night, I have dinner. At night, I have dinner. I sit with my family and enjoy my meal. I sit with my family and enjoy my meal. We talk, smile, and share our day. We talk, smile, and share our day. This time feels warm and special. This time feels warm and special. Finally, I go to sleep. Finally, I go to sleep. I lie down on my bed. I lie down on my bed. I think about my whole day. I think about my whole day. Then I close my eyes. Then I close my eyes and sleep peacefully. And sleep peacefully. Tomorrow, a new day will begin again. Tomorrow, a new day will begin again. If this daily routine feels like your own life, then write in the comments, "This is my daily routine too." And if this video helped you practice English, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your one like and one subscribe really motivates me to make more easy English practice videos for you. See you in the next lesson.